Hello. Today I wanted to show you how to create a contiguous cartogram or a continuous cartogram using the Cartogram 3 plugin. I'm running QGIS 3.18. So it will turn the map like this into something like this. So first we will download the plugin. Under Manage and Install Plugins, scroll down till you hit Cartogram 3. You'll install it. I have it installed already, so I will close it. And to access it, you can use the icon on the toolbar here, or you can go under Vector, Cartogram, Compute Cartogram. So in my case, the dataset I'm using is the United States and the vaccination rates for COVID-19. So we will select the vaccination rate field by percentage, and then leave the default iterations at 10. So we'll click OK. So we'll run through that process, and it can take quite a bit depending on how many iterations you have and how complicated your data is. The more vertices, the longer it's going to take. One way you can speed it up is to simplify your features beforehand with a process that will remove extra vertices but still retain the overall general shape. So it looks like it's almost done here, and then once it's finished we can add some symbology. Alright, looks like it's all done. So we'll double click and add some colors. So we'll go to graduated, select our percentage field, change the color ramp to red, yellow, blue, and then classify, click apply, OK. So it's a little hard to see some of the northeastern states, so we can label them to get a clearer idea of which states are which. So single labels, and we'll select the state abbreviation value, click apply, OK. Alright, so it's pretty nice, and let's look at the iterations and see how it affects it if we add more iterations. So if we start with just 5 iterations, it doesn't modify it too much, and then the more we iterate it, the more distorted each state becomes. So once we hit 50 iterations, they become pretty distorted. So depending on your original source values, you may want more or less iterations. But that's all that I have. Until next time.